In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the back button on your Google Pixel phone. It's an easy Android tutorial, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, while many Android devices ship with gesture navigation by default, you can easily switch back to the classic 3-button layout with home, back, and recent apps. So what you want to do is go over to your settings application, go ahead and scroll down and tap display. Now, once you're in display, go ahead and scroll down and go over to navigation bar once you go ahead and see it. So go ahead and click on that. Now, as you can see, I currently have buttons already enabled. If you have swipe gestures enabled, switch to buttons. And as you can see in that same area, I'm going to see the 3 lines, the home screen and the back area right there. Yeah, it's literally as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. You can also go ahead and change, different things as well. Like you can have circle to search, or I can look for anything else over here as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.